to hear about, one experience that you've had to
Mm-hmm.
just tie up all your learnings and all of this together. If you can name, if you can talk about one experience, whether, it's in the world of art or some experience that you had while traveling somewhere and how it kind of helped you. I'm
Uh,
putting you on the spot right now. Sorry.
yes, you are definitely. Uh, there are several. Let me just pick one. Okay, I'll pick one. I usually have a problem with decision making. That's not a skill that I have, but
Okay.
I'm picking one. Um, Probably a couple of years back, I moved to Majuli around 4 years back, and probably a couple of years back, where I had to face the floods here, and it was it was a completely different kind of experience for me altogether, because the houses are built on stilts here. The architecture is such that the water does not come all the way to your house because it's raised. But I lived at the school here in Assam, and so by this time, when the water increases slowly, everybody has gone from the school. Now the school is completely empty, uh, and I stayed in this space for almost 2 weeks together, 1.5 months in breaks, but 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks together, without any sort of electricity, with just rice and dal for food, and just no company at all, no phone, nothing, no electricity, and it just completely changed the way I perceive a lot of things, right from art to survival
Yeah.
to survival. This is a survival skill. I have been put
So,
through.
how did you keep yourself going during that time? What
I
What did you
wouldn't
do?
I wouldn't really do anything. There are, like, there's a library. There are some books that I picked up from there. I would just read in the morning when the light is there, and then in the evening I just zone out. And so the pandemic was a much easier time for me compared to
Right.
these times. So there were many other like situations like these where just surviving and hanging in there was a thing, right? Just to hang in there. I mean,
Yeah.
everything is
Naina says perseverance is a
yeah,
tip to your success. Yeah.
yeah. Just staying in there, hoping that things would get. I mean, it would eventually get
Yeah.
better, but hanging there like until it gets better, and not losing yourself into uh, dark spaces.
Yeah. Yeah.
Especially in times like these. Yeah.
Yeah. Tough. Wow. Amazing. I hope you don't have to deal with too many of those situations again, or not ever. But yeah.
Or
Wow.
more
Okay. If
where
there's,
you learn. Yeah.
sorry.
No, no. I was just saying, or more situations like this where I learn newer
Yeah.
things.
Correct. Yeah. Does the audience have any questions for Adit? He's not just an actor, dancer, and teacher, but a good human being. I mean, that's one of the
Who
biggest
that?
compliments, right? Ninja without skills.
Okay. Thanks,
One
Star.
of your friends.
Yeah.
That's very, very kind. Are there any life-turning decisions which you have taken recently during the lockdown?
Life turning. All my decisions are turning
Yeah,
decisions.
pretty much.
All my decisions are that. It's always life turning. Uh, no, lockdown did not change a lot of things for me per se. Uh, as in, of course, there was. I am a person who loves to move, generally move, and then that stopped. But life turning decisions, no. I think a few years back, I've I've been I've been trying to figure out and bridge the spaces between art and education for myself and the other
Yeah.
things that I do. And I've been on that line, and I'm trying to hold on to that line. I'm not moving away from it at this point. So there is no big life turning decision that I took. Things are happening, life turning things
Yeah.
always happen. But decisions, all my decisions are almost life turning decisions. Somewhere it is turn things upside down every time, but no, not during lockdown.
Not during lockdown specifically, but you mentioned the connect between art and education, and the avenues and the things that can be done are limitless, right?
Absolutely.
So yeah, and I think we need more teachers like you who brings that integration and brings that fun into learning again, right? I mean, I wish I was that student in your class, enjoying that
You're
method.
too
It's in the
kind.
method. Yeah, no, all the method, and you have your own methods of doing things. So yeah,
Yeah.
thanks for that question, Kadil. Would you get suggestions from family and or
Uh,
friends when you're in a decisive moment?
in a decisive moment, nobody decides for me. I decide, and I have this. Uh, I I do take suggestions, not really suggestions, because I think end of the day, there are different ways you look at it. There are times when other people, your friends and family, can see what's happening with you better with a broader view. And there are times when you know the position you are in, you know the things that you would want to do. So during these times, you would want to make your decisions. I'm the second kind. I always kind of know what I want. I've been very clear with what I want. And even if I've been unclear with what I want, I've been okay with it to pursue it still. Even if I feel like, okay, I'm not going to get through this, I still want to try it out. So, in terms of decision making, it always boils down to me. As much as I run the idea with my family and with my friends, it's more an information than getting any sort of maybe my mentors. Some of my mentors were also my very good friends. Some of my mentors sometimes, but it's always nice to just run the idea by them and hear it from them. As to it's
A
always
different
important to have
perspective.
it's always important to have that perspective of someone else, uh, and also it helps for you to say it out, or like either type it out when you're mailing somebody, or say it out, type it out, to also get clarity in what you're thinking. So I definitely do speak to my friends, my family, my mentors, but end of the day, the decision comes down to me.
Okay, cool. So we've come to the end, and Adit is also a mentor on our site for alternative careers. So if you want to talk to him more, you can get in touch with us at hello@talentees.com. We've kept it simple and sweet. Hello@talentees.com. So do email us and keep in touch with us. Log on to our website, www.talentees.com, to know more about us, to see what's in store. We work in the fraternity of students, children, right from school grade 3 onwards to um, MBA students as well. So the whole lot. So yeah, get in touch with us, and if you'd like to hear more about Adit, message us, and we can have him back again.
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more of these informative videos.